Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last weekend I was in the lovely city of Gdansk attending the really excellent Poland IATEFL conference. And while I was there, one of the talks I went to see was by an old friend of mine called Russell Stannard. And he was talking about ways of using AI to create supplementary material and homework material for students. And interestingly, he began by saying, listen, I just want to make one thing clear. I'm actually a big fan of course books. I'm not here to diss them in any way. If you diss something or you diss a person, you disrespect them, you criticise them, you slag them off. So maybe, as you'll have noticed, boxers in the run-up to a big fight will often publicly diss their opponents. In the same way that rappers sometimes diss other rappers in their tracks. Sometimes these are actually called diss tracks. Politicians often diss certain marginalised groups within society. You know, you might hear politicians dissing immigrants or dissing woke people who live in the urban centres or dissing football fans or whoever their chosen victims are for that particular month. Maybe you've got a friend who has been publicly criticised for some of their opinions recently, and you're trying to calm them down and reassure them that, you know, it's normal to be criticised. And you might say, listen, anytime you put your head above the parapet and you voice your opinions in public, there are always going to be folk who'll diss you. It's just the way it is. Pay them no mind. And maybe, like a friend of mine when we were in our 20s, you fail to get a job because you go for a job interview and you get asked why you left your last job and you end up completely dissing really badly your old boss and all of your old colleagues. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Make sure you click the like button. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use diss, so long as you're not dissing our video, I suppose. Thank you.